Almost everyone uses ChatGPT, but only a few truly tap into its full potential. In this video, we will explore how you can create a custom assistant in ChatGPT to boost your productivity and efficiency. I will show you a step-by-step, easy-to-follow methodology that will completely transform the way you interact with artificial intelligence, whether for work, studies, or business. By the end of this video, you are going to have a ready-to-use assistant. The other day, I was having lunch with a friend and he was asking me questions about AI. He confidently said that he used AI every single day, almost ChatGPT. And then I asked him, like, are you paying for ChatGPT? He said yes. And then I was like, cool. So you already create some assistants and like maybe try some others from like other people and stuff. And he was like, systems? I was like, okay. So yes, that was last week and he didn't even know about assistants. So most people I talk think they know a lot of about ChatGPT, as did my friend or even AI, but in reality, they have actually maybe no idea that assistants exist, agents exist. They have like no concept of prompting engineer and stuff, and yet seems like they are getting pretty good results. So the truth is, in my opinion, that this is the only tip of the iceberg. And there is a lot of cool stuff that you can do with AI, like building your own systems or even using the ones others created. So there's a lot of possibilities that maybe you don't know, or maybe you know. But if you know, maybe you don't need this video, right? So sometimes I get some comments like, okay, that's not new, like how come nobody knows that? And that's true. Like people, they might don't know about it. And it's common. It's like we are living maybe in a AI bubble. So if you are not into this AI bubble, welcome. If you are, please stick around as well. Maybe you find something that you didn't know about crafting or creating new assistants. I did a survey on my personal Instagram and look at the result. Many people use ChatGPT, but they don't even use or they don't even know that ChatGPT assistants exist. So today, being productive isn't about working faster, it's also about working smarter. Actually, maybe it was never about like working faster, but yeah, you get the point. And one of the tools available right now, it is this custom assistants within in ChatGPT. Unlike using general ChatGPT, a custom assistant already has a defined context, clear instructions, and well delimited objectives. It doesn't need explanations every time you use it. It's already configured to act immediately on the desired task. AI assistants are the simplest and most efficient way to automate knowledge and process you repeatedly use in your daily routine, allowing you to focus your time and energy on what truly matters. I myself have already created specialized assistants for generating like short videos for TikTok, shorts, or even reels for Instagram, and specifically sales assistance that helps me overcome customs objections. Here in Brazil, we have a specialist in copywriting in marketing. He was on a huge podcast here in Brazil called Os Sócios, discussing AI assistants and AI agents. And he almost have like 2 million followers on Instagram alone. So check out what he said about AI assistants and AI agents.
Então, o segredo é o agente. E aí, eu crio agentes que treinam e aí eu vou dando cada vez mais contexto. Eu transformo um diálogo longo com o ChatGPT, literalmente longo. Eu já fiquei, uma noite inteira até virar de madrugada tentando treinar ele para entender coisas, para ele ser criativo, porque ele sempre vai no básico. Cara, isso é o que qualquer um pensaria, vai mais longe, vai para tal lugar, vai para tal lugar. Depois de muito tempo treinando, eu criei um agente. Então, o meu prompt não é um negocinho que com bastante contexto e tal, é um agente extremamente treinado para cada uma das coisas que eu uso em copy. Ironia, deboche, sarcasmo, antítese, onomatopeia. Eu fui explicando cada um dos elementos literários, ensinei ele, porque ele sempre vai para uma coisa mais comum. O ChatGPT é uma inteligência de fazer associações. E aí eu descobri que ele sempre vai para a associação mais comum e básica, e ele nunca vai ser criativo desse jeito. Aí eu fui ensinando ele a ir muito longe, muito longe. Esse meu prompt vale ouro. Se eu dou o prompt para todo mundo vai ter. Agora, se eu vendo o agente, se você quiser ter o chat GPT que escreve daquele jeito, você nunca vai saber o que eu falei para ele, você só vai conseguir ter o retorno.
So after that, I think I don't need to give you more explanations why you need to learn to create new assistants or new agents. So let's dive into the ChatGPT so I can go step by step with you and I can show you how you can create your own AI assistant. We are here in the first page on ChatGPT and we have two ways to go and to find the AI systems. They call on ChatGPT GPTs. Okay, so it's right here. I can click on my picture and then I can click here my GPTs, and then we have the path to create a GPT. So customize a version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. You can see that I have a lot of them here. Also, you can click here on the sidebar and will appear a lot of customs GPTs, assistants, as I like to call them. And you can click here in Explore GPTs. And here a new page appears. So this page is very important because it's the one that where you can discover and create custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instructions, extra knowledge, and also any combinations of skills. So in this page, you can find others GPT's assistants. So I will say maybe assistants, maybe GPT, you know what I mean, right? So here, if you want to just search for a GPT about productivity, then we have a lot of them. So we have like a video one, not, I don't know why productivity, but everything kind of AI, maybe if you use for the right reasons, they are like for productivity. So this one, it's like help ride with me. This one, it's like, okay, AI humanizer. So it's maybe to convert a text that was made with only AI to be more human. So that's a really good one. This one, it's translate. Maybe you want to learn Portuguese and you can translate. So here you can search whatever you want. So I can search like something with law. We have a lot of GPTs. You can search actually for everything. But for me, the magic it is on creating and crafting your own GPTs or buying or using GPTs from people that you know or people that maybe I mean you know because you know that they craft, they create, they train that GPT with a lot of work. They put it a lot of effort. As the Brazilian guy said, the magical part of the system it is inside of the prompt and inside of the database that they put it on. So this one they might be really good, but still like yours, I mean, like if we come here, let's say you are a lawyer, so and then you can create your own chat gpt with the stuff from your firm, I don't know, from your business. So the magical part it is that you can specialize the assistant in yourself or in your business or in your, I don't know, whatever, like that it's really, really, really good for you. Or let's say I create this chat GPT, so short script. This one it's very well done because I put it a lot of effort, I put it a lot of time. The prompt is amazing. Also, the knowledge base, that it's the database, it's incredible. I put a lot of types of hooks, as like I've know a lot of them because I've searched the web, I've like collected them like many years, and then I have this database, so that I put a lot of effort on that. So this is different than maybe just trying one, but you never know. You have to try and see if that one it's good or not. Also, people are using this channel, so GPT's channel, as a touch point as well. What I want to say, it is like a marketing. Once you create an assistant, a GPT, you can put your name, you can put your domain, so your website, also your LinkedIn page, or your X page. So that's good because people can know where that GPT came from, that a system came from, and maybe people will get to know you better. And well, then we know we have the attention. After we have the attention, then we can sell, we can grab the attention and create good content or sell good stuff. Okay. But yeah, I got lost. I'm sorry, but let's go. I want to show you this page as well. But to create, you can come here and click create. So this page, it's the main page that you're going to use to create the assistant. Okay, if you click here in create, we have an open chat that will help you as well with that. So if you want to create, I don't know, like so let's say we want to create a specialist in quick synthesis and summaries, direct and objective. So that's a really good one. I have this one, and we are going to create together. So I would just say that, and let's see. So right now the GPT is already updating, and this part, the configure one. So we have to wait a bit, and once we get here, then almost everything will be like already done. So yeah, we have the description, provide quick, direct, and objective summaries. We have already the instructions, we have the conversation starters, and the knowledge, we don't have anything. So I will explain you a bit, and we will create a better version of this one. So this, I can say that it's summaries. Let's call it summaries, but also we can maybe brainstorm. Okay, so let's choose a name. Yes, perfect. He read my mind. So rapidly, yeah, that's or maybe synthesizer. No, I would say no. Let's see. Got it. Sharp summary. Yeah, there we go. I like this one. So we do have a name. You can create your own name. I'm just saying that here, ChatGPT can help you to create your system. So here you put the name. Here is the picture. That it's the one that you can upload a photo. Let's say that you're creating a system like yourself, and then you're putting all your content and everything, and you are crafting a system that it's your clone, and then you can upload yourself, like a picture of yourself. Or you can use DALL-E. To use DALL-E, the best it is to already have at least what we do have here, like the instructions and stuff, so DALL-E can understand that and create, and that he can create an image. He can create an image. I like that one. So yes, nice one. And yeah, here it's the description. So provides quick, direct, and objective summaries. Perfect. The instructions I will open here, and then we can understand. See, the text, it's a lot. I always like to use like Markdown for that, and I've seen OpenAI videos and they use Markdown as well. So this GPT is specializing rapidly Uh-huh. See, for me, these instructions, they are quick. They will work, but I don't think they will be like the best one, you know? I don't think so. I will show you what I do here, that it's like really the path that I take every single time that I'm like creating an assistant. So yeah. So here are the conversation starters exactly for this part. So summarize this article in 3 sentences. And yes, I really think that this assistant it's good. And here is the knowledge base. So if you upload files under knowledge, conversations with your ChatGPT may include file contents. File can be downloaded when code interpreter is enabled. So the main point here, it is I will give you an example. So maybe you have a book, and then you have another ebook about desserts, and then you want to create an assistant that helps you with those recipes. So what you can do, it's like upload files, and then you can upload your recipes. So you can upload as PDF or TXT or even Markdown as well. So you can upload here, and every time that you talk to ChatGPT, it's going to go to your knowledge base. It's going to your knowledge base, and then it's searching there and giving you your dessert recipe. So let's say you have maybe 3 books about desserts recipes, and then you can put all together, and you can ask ChatGPT, okay, today I want to I don't know, like I want to eat something with bananas, and then ChatGPT is going to search on his knowledge base that you create, the assistant you create, and then it's going to bring all your recipes that it has like dessert and banana. So yes, that's incredible. I mean, like I'm giving you an example, but that could be a lot of stuff. So yes, and I use this one a lot. And yeah, this part, it is important because if you want the assistant to web search something, you can like check it, a canvas as well if you want ChatGPT to open a canvas, yes, and also to delete your work, so image generation inside of your assistant, you can check these as well. So yes, I will leave it there because I like it, but if you don't, I mean, like let's say they are really restrict with your recipes, and then you can just enable that, so ChatGPT will never web search. And here in your prompt, you should just say like always go to my knowledge base. I don't want you to, I don't know, search the web or even like search the stuff inside of you, like the data inside of you, because I only want my recipe. So that's important. But that's not the framework that we are using to craft a new assistant. I'm just like showing you that ChatGPT can help you if you really want to, like start the assistant, do it like this. But what I'm going to do, it is the next step. So first of all, just to create this one, you click here, and then share GPT. You can share like with anyone with the link. You can put the GPT store as we saw, or only me. Okay, I will put anyone with the link. See what I said here? You can put your social media or your name, and you can put some links. So this one, it goes directed to my LinkedIn, and then I can put it maybe in ChatGPT store, and people can search my assistant, and maybe I can get some followers, or I can sell something, or I don't know. So we click save here, and boom, our assistant is ready actually. But as I said, I mean, like it's pretty simple to create one. But the thing is the knowledge base and the instructions. So I will give some example how you can like improve this part. I will copy this one and I will show you what I do. So let's come back. I do have a chat GPT. If I click here in my GPTs, I do have one that helps me create new GPTs. So create new prompts for GPTs for assistants. So mine, it's right here. I created a new one so it looks better. And yes, so here, help me create an AI assistant. It's giving me some like points that I need to understand and job and thing. That's an example for prompt and find 10 responses. See, I just prompt like I have this prompt that ChatGPT helped me solve. Please create a new, better one based on this one. And then I just copy and paste and boom, let's see. But I really want to say is that I created an assistant to help me craft like a really good assistant. You can do the same. That could be a test for you. I don't know, but I really think that this is good once you find like a framework that you like. I will give you one that it's for me the first one that you need to at least follow for your assistant to be good enough at least. That's the one that it's behind this one. So let's see. I gave our prompt here and he refined prompt for a summarization AI. So we have more text that it's good. It doesn't mean that it's better, but normally once you have more information, you give more context, you give more information for the AI, the better. Okay, so that's important. And guidelines for summation. Okay, yeah, he asks me if I want more stuff. Of course, we can use our brain to like write a better prompt or not. I don't know, but yes, in my case, I really like to think. But in that case, I would just ask, please give. Go. I really like to be in Markdown, so like we have the title, like the second title here, and then we have like bold and stuff. I really like that. So for me it's better to like see and for the AI to understand as well. So I can click cop here, I click cop here, I can come back from here, my GPTs, I do have the sharp summary, and then I will put here so you can see that it's, I don't know, we got this prompt like this, right? So for me it's much better, and I know that for AI as well, so better to understand. So I will delete this one, and now we have a new prompt. Okay, so objective, capabilities, guidelines, and yes. So I will close here. And this part, the preview part, it's where you are going to train the AI. And of course, you're going to train the AI, but you're going to talk to the AI, and if something like you need to change something and something it's not working, then you can always come back here and train craft your a system again. Or I don't know, maybe you read a book or you read like an article about how to summarize better, and you can put the knowledge here, so you can just add it here. But let's see if it's working, right? So I will like put it here, summarize this article, but I didn't send any article, so let's see. Please provide the article, of course. Please. So I will take this article here and copy and paste in our assistant right here, so we will see if the assistant is working or not. Let's see. There are some images, but well, not taking the text side of the image, but let's see. That's a, that's a pretty good, like, it seems a good one, but it's a long one. Okay. Prompt engineers practices. And yeah, so it's working. And this it's pretty good. I mean, like, you know, one thing that I will teach you here. So should never forget to update that, but I will teach you something and then I will show you the framework, and you can get this framework for free in the link in the description below, but I will show you something really nice one. So let's say you are talking with the short script assistant. Okay, so I'm talking with this one, and yes, I had like a huge conversation, and I want to summarize the conversation. You know what I can do here? I can do this like right here, and I can search the ChatGPT, so I can search the assistants. So I can just come here and search this one and ask to summarize what we just said or we just talked. Or if you have really long chat, you can call this assistant. So when you can ask like for a bullet point summary or something like that, you know. So that's a really good one that you can use. And I mean like that's just an example. It's you have like so much power with that in your hand. I mean you can call a lot of assistants inside of ChatGPT, and you know like you can talk to them. That's also the tip of the iceberg, because I mean you can do so much more with automations with AI assistants, agents. That it's a bit different because assistants it's more like a chat, like Alexa here on ChatGPT. When you have like an agent, you have something like this. I will show you because it's incredible what we made with the AI Atelier. Probably maybe you saw that already. That we had like I think we have more than three assistants inside of, or maybe two assistants inside of this agent that we created. So I will share my screen, this one, and here we have, see, we have videos that it's like posting. It's posting without like we even touch in it. Why? Because we craft a huge assistant that searches the web with perplexity to find turning the what we want to publish. And then we have another assistant that crafts the script. And then we have another assistant that calls an API from HeyGen and actually take the script and put inside of the video, like my clone video. And then we have another one that edit and put the captions and like this adding part and stuff. So yes, and then we publish. Then it's an automation that we publish only on YouTube. So it's different, but that's an agent. It goes and does stuff direct with more assistants. That's different than just one assistant that we chat like this one, the ones that we are seeing right now. So I just want to show you this because it's incredible. And right now we'll show you the methodology. So something that you can use, it's not that it's really right or wrong. It's just something that I think it is really good for you to create your assistants, to never forget the stuff that you need to say to the assistants. That is this POFAK. That is this POFAK. So profile and personality. Who is your assistant and what are they like? Define the assistant character. You think like calmly, logically, and always provide helpful responses. The second part, it is like the objective. So that's the main one. So what exactly does the assistant? So this part is very important. The second one, it's the format. So how will the responses be structured? If necessary, you can include steps. I really like steps. The other part, it's the avoid one. So I had one assistant, they schedule a dentist appointment. What I needed to do was like never schedule anything. You were just like an AI assistant, but I didn't say that before. So I that was on WhatsApp. So that's different than of course ChatGPT, but it's important while you are talking to like with the assistant, you're chatting with the assistant, always like be aware if something like it's wrong or something can be like better, can be something different. You can always come back and train craft your assistant. Okay, so that's why the preview like page, it's a good one as well, so you can do that in the beginning, but it's normal, that happens, that will be maybe your system is something that you always need to change a bit, the knowledge base and stuff. Maybe it's, I don't know, a financial assistant that it's helping you with, I don't know, financial advice with like SP 500, I don't know, something like that, and maybe that changes, that's totally fine as well. The other one is context and examples. That's a good one. And tone. Okay. I really like that structure, but as I said, I mean, like, if you follow this one, you are really good already, but it's up to you. You're going to train your assistant. Think as maybe an intern in your company, that you need to put context, you need to say like step by step, you need to put a lot of effort on that, and that takes time as well, that takes practice. So yes, just chat with your assistant. Here we have the assistant we created, but with this framework. So we have the profile and personality, we have the objective, we have the format, we have things to avoid like complex sentence, we have the context and examples, and we have the tone. And I always like to put like think commonly, like, or step by step. I like that. So that's just something that I wanted to show you how it can be like this. I just want to show you how the framework works, so you can have something in your mind that you can follow, and how our assistant can like be inside of this framework. So exactly that. So I'm going to publish this assistant that we just created inside of our free community at the school platform. So this one, the AI Atelier, we have like a community that are free and people are really like participating, and that's really, really incredible. We have some courses here in the classroom. That's amazing, and it is free, so join us in our community. The link, it is in the description below. And another thing that I want to show you, it is those incredible assistants that I created. This one can help you with like really short videos, and I mean like for TikTok, for shorts, or even for reels, Instagram reels. So this one, it's amazing, and it crafts you a really good video ideas. So maybe I can just say here that help me to create AI assistance on ChatGPT. Maybe I would just take this one for example, and then I will put like 90 seconds. 9 seconds. I'll put just 9 seconds, and I don't have a hook. I'll just say like that. Yes, I need a CTA to my YouTube video. See, I didn't prompt that much. I just want to show you how powerful this assistant is. So, how AI assistants save you? How AI assistants save you hours every day? So you are wasting hours every single day. You realize it. Every time you type an email, report, an assistant, you can do. Here's see. This one is the one that we created. Yes, so I mean, like, we have already, I mean, an incredible, like, I do have already an incredible script that I can just film, or I can put it on my clone in HeyGen, and then I have a really good video to go. I mean, I didn't prompt that well, I didn't talk to the assistant as I would normally. Of course, I would think with my brain and with the assistant, and then we craft a really good one. But that's, I mean, amazing. I will really want to show you. And once you are publishing videos and also selling your stuff, you might need, of course, the one that helps you with selling. So that's the negotiate AI, more conversions and fear objections. So as you talk to people, as you want to sell something, your products, your service, this one can help you. So that's a really good one. And both of them, I mean, this one, it's incredible because you can really, like, I've done that, and I've closed deals with that. It is that I can record a conversation, maybe with a potential client, and then I have all the transcript from the conversation for the from the record that I record with, I don't know, like we can use a lot of platforms for that, let's say Phantom, and then I can just copy and paste here, and then can bring me like some ideas of objections that I can be prepared, or I can try, like I'm closing, trying to close a deal, and I don't know, it came with, of course, the money objection, or it came with, I don't know, another one like time. And then I can just copy and paste the whole conversation here. And this assistant will help me craft a really good a way to sell the product or sell the service. So that's a really good one. Or you can talk to the AI as well if it was like a conversation like in person or something like that. So it's a really good one. And both of them we are selling. So we are selling these GPTs, as the guy said in the beginning. And that's something you can do as well. You can sell your own. That's like that's a reverse engineer. I think that's how we say that. And yes, the price, it's really 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 cheap for what it's worth it, but it's something that I've done, and it's helping me a lot, and it's helping me a lot. So maybe it can help you as well, so you can buy in the link in the description. I hope you like this video. It is really hard for me to like record videos in English. It's really a process, and I'm struggling a bit. I've been struggling a bit with that, so it's important to let you know that as well. And yes, but I'm like doing it with all my heart. Me and Manu, we are giving a lot of energy for that. So I hope you find this video well, that it's adds something into your life, that you can be more productive and stuff. And please subscribe to the channel. That means a lot as well. Like the video and comment if you have any questions, or just if you have anything to say about it. I'll be really, really happy. And please join the community, the AI Atelier. If, of course, you like AI stuff, you like AI automations, then you are more than welcome. It's a free community, and we are really starting the party right now there. So, yes, it's really, really cool to have more and more people there. And yes, if you need anything, you can just see how I can help you in the description, how we can help you as well. And if you like this video, probably you're going to like this one as well. I hope you have a beautiful journey. I hope you can be productive using AI. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.